Now we will study some numericals of relative velocity. So there is a first numerical which says two parallel rail tracks run north-south. Train A moves north with a speed of 54 km per hour and train B moves south with a speed of 90 km per hour. So we will first analyze what is given in the question. Two parallel rail tracks. So these are two parallel rail tracks. Fine. And these run north-south. So these rail tracks are running north to south. Now train A is moving north with a speed of 54 km per hour. So if train A is moving north, so this will be the direction of train A and it is moving with speed 54 km per hour, and train B moves south with a speed of 90 km per hour, and train B is moving south with speed of 90 km per hour. Then what we have to find is velocity of B with respect to A. Now we are given with VA. What is this? This is VA and this is VB. Fine. Now VA is equals to 54 km per hour. Fine. If we have to find out this VA in a meter per second, what we will do? We will simply multiply this 54 by 5 by 18, and solving this we will get 15 meter per second. So VA value is 15 meter per second. Now what is VB? It is the train B which is moving in south direction. Fine. So the motion is opposite. If we consider the case, the motion is in opposite direction. So VB will have a negative sign with it, and again multiplying it with 5 by 18, we will get the value of VB in terms of meter per second, which is minus 25 meter per second. Now come back to the question. It says that what is the velocity of B with respect to A? So velocity of B with respect to A will be represented by VBA, and it is equals to VB plus of minus VBA, or we can say VB minus of VA. Fine. So we will put the values. What is the value of VB? It is minus 25 meter per second. So minus 25, and value of VA is 15 meter per second. So minus of 15, and it will give us minus of 40 meter per second. So VBA is equals to minus of 40 meter per second. Fine. So by this we can say that train B appears to A to move with a speed of 40 meter per second from north to south. Now the second part is, what is the velocity of ground with respect to B? Now as the train is running on the tracks, so the velocity of the ground is in state of rest if we consider it. So the velocity of ground will be 0 meter per second. So what are they saying? Velocity of ground with respect to B, train B. So VGB will be equals to VG is 0, and VB we know it is equals to minus of 25. So minus of minus 25 will give 25 meter per second. So velocity of ground with respect to B will be 25 meter per second. Fine. Now the next part is we have to find the velocity of a monkey running on the roof of the train A against its motion. Mind it, it is against its motion, against the motion of train A, with a velocity of 18 km per hour with respect to train A. As we are talking about velocity of 18 km per hour with respect to train A, so we are talking about relative velocity here. Whose relative velocity? We are talking about the relative velocity of monkey with respect to train A. So VMA will be equal to 18 km per hour. As observed by a man standing on the ground. So for a man standing on the ground, the velocity of monkey running on the roof of the train against its motion, we have to find as observed by the man standing on the ground. Vm is the velocity of monkey with respect to ground. Fine. So let us suppose this is the motion of train, then the monkey is running on the roof against the motion. Fine. And VMA is given to us as 18 km per hour. Fine. But this VMA will be negative as the motion of monkey is in opposite direction or against the motion of train A. Fine. So what will be the relative velocity of monkey with respect to train A? It will be equal to Vm minus Va. Fine. And as given in the question, it is equal to minus 18 km per hour. So we will first convert it into meter per second. Multiplying it by 5 by 18, we will get minus 5 meter per second. And this minus sign shows the opposite direction of the monkey with respect to train A. Fine. So by this, what we have to find? Velocity of the monkey. So velocity of monkey can be written as, if we bring VA to the left side, the velocity of monkey will become VMA plus VA. Fine. What is the value of VMA in meter per second? It is equal to minus 5 and value of VA was equal to 15 meter per second. So we will put these values, and solving this we will get the velocity of the monkey with respect to ground as 10 meter per second. So this was all about this question.